Start by opening YouTube on your computer and making sure you're logged in. Here's where most people go wrong. They skip the login step and waste time searching. Don't be that person. Click your profile icon in the top right corner. Then select YouTube Studio from the drop-down menu. This is your control room. Keep watching because Step 2 unlocks free music you didn't know existed. Once inside the Studio dashboard, look at the left-hand sidebar. Scroll down if needed and click Audio Library. This is not the regular YouTube music player. This is a goldmine of copyright-free tracks. Stay tuned because the next step shows you exactly how to grab them in seconds. You'll now see a list of tracks and songs. Listen to any track by pressing the play button on the far left. When you find a song you love, don't just listen, click the download button on the far right of the track. Or use the download icon at the bottom right of the player bar to save it as an MP3 file to your computer.